Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kate.
And I'm Jörn, and we bring all kinds of couple-related content right to you.
That's right, date night ideas, challenges, competitions, travel, and cruise ship crew content. So if that is your kind of content, please hit that subscribe button.
It's early in the morning and we're on our way to our next little trip. But this time it's not just until tomorrow or something, this time it's a whole week. But where are we going?
My grandma and my father, they're competing in a billiard tournament in Las Vegas. And since Jörn has never been there before, we decided to join them. And so are my siblings. So this is going to be a little family vacation, 7 days, some days with the pool tournament, some days without. And we're just going to see what a first timer gets up to in Las Vegas.
And of course, as always, we're going to take you with us. So let's go. Whew, that is bright. Come in.
We're in a rental car. Jörn, Kara, and I are smushed in the very back seat, and we are starving. It's almost 9 p.m. our time in our bodies, so we're heading to dinner, and there's everyone else.
Welcome to Vegas, baby! We're gonna go to food first in the Peppermill, and yeah, we're 8 people, so no idea how long that's gonna take, but let's go!
I'm so hungry, oh my god. What'd you think?
That was really good and very, very necessary.
Yeah, I would say it was very good, but also we were ravenous, and it was 25 bucks for a hamburger and fries, so it's a little rough, but welcome to Vegas, right? Look at Vegas behind us. Wow.
Listen, traveling with these people is chaotic, so therefore it is a whole mess, and we are in our rooms now, but we're gonna show you everything tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
good night.
Good night.
See you in the morning.
Goodbye.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning.
Welcome. Welcome to our disgusting room, because I live with boys. Just kidding, just kidding. Look outside. Look at our view.
Okay, so since you already saw this beauty of a room.
Oh, me. Oh.
Yeah. We have the entrance door over here, and then our little sweet bathroom, where I have to find the light. That is not a mess right now, not so bad. Big mirror, and the shower that luckily everybody of us used already. So, what are we doing?
We're going to the Hoover Dam.
The Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam.
Let's go. Morning. Guten Morgen. Good morning, Kennedy.
I have orange, granola bar, and water.
So healthy.
I'm prepared.
There she is.
I are actually taking a tour of Hoover Dam. As a little treat of Grandma, we're allowed to just make a tour, and you see behind me already those diversion tunnels that go through the rocks all the way from one side of the dam through the other, and we're gonna take you along with our whole tour and show you what we see. This is a masterpiece of engineering. No, that's Dave. Like, this back there is the wall where the Hoover Dam is behind. Like, those 450 feet of concrete are separating us from Lake Mead, which is the lake right behind Hoover Dam, which is like storage up with all the water, but those 450 feet of concrete are protecting us from all the water coming right onto me and onto those generators. So our power plant tour is over right now, and we are gonna go back up to the family. Arizona, Nevada, Arizona, Nevada, Arizona, Nevada, Arizona. No, that way. 3, 2, 1. Echo! Those lines is how high the water used to be, and this is where it is right now. That is crazy. So that was Hoover Dam, and right now also the Tillman Memorial Bridge. And we have other plans tonight, like...
We're going to Benihana. Let's go to dinner.
Let's go to dinner. Enjoy your food and itadakimasu. You thought we were done for the day? Well, so did I, but no we're not. We made it to Fremont Street actually, and we are right in front of the first bar that we're gonna head it in. So let's see what awaits us there. We actually were not allowed to film in that bar, so I just took a couple of shots from outside. But we're walking down Fremont Road now, Fremont Street, sorry, and just checking out the lights and the bars and everything that we can find here with that crowd.
Woo woo! Fremont Street, baby!
We made it back to the hotel room, but yeah, that was a lot of fun. It was very sparkly, a lot of lights, a lot of party everywhere.
My ears are ringing.
My ears are like, they sound like popping candy somehow. It was loud. We had a rock band, multiple stages with multiple rock bands. They were really fun, and that was Fremont Street. So I hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did, and we see you tomorrow.
trip, we're gonna look at some of the most famous casinos, so starting at Caesar's Palace. Let's
Exactly
go.
there.
Next up, the Venetian. We're going on a gondola ride. These ones.
How did you like it?
Loved it. He sang us 3 songs.
That's true. And now?
We're looking for food in Italy. Cheers. Cheers. Woo.
So right after our little dinner at 3:30, our dinner, lunch, whatever it was, we are, like, I'm standing right in front of the street. We are now in the motto, New York, New York. Let's go in.
Welcome to New York. I just like to look. I love theaters.
So what's your opinion?
Very nice. We had a nice Celine Dion chill Titanic moment.
Transition! 2 games. Back in the game.
Hey, let me win.
our battery died in the playground, so therefore we're already back in the hotel. After 12 hours out, probably reasonable that 2 batteries died.
Oh my gosh.
But everything that you missed in the playground was basically that we received some gifts or some prizes for the points that we won, that we played in the games.
Got bouncy balls.
A little bouncy ball.
We got to pick a bunch of stickers. There's only a couple of them. Like I got to pick 9 stickers. Jörn got to pick 8 because unfortunately we both only got 3,000 something points, and 500 points is $1. So we could basically only afford a $2 bouncy ball and then all the stickers. But it's really fun. It's $40 per person plus a little bit of tax because welcome to the United States. So it's not just 40, but I think we paid 82 for 2 of us, and it's in the
Luxor,
hotel is that?
in the Luxor hotel.
Yes.
That looks like a pyramid, also with a sphinx outside and many Egyptian designs in the inside.
But like Jörn said, it was a full day. Sorry, we got out at like 10:30 this morning and went to all these different. We just walked. I think we hit like 25,000 steps. We've been out literally, I think, 13 hours, like he said, and I'm dead.
Yeah. So good night for today.
Yes.
And tomorrow is an exciting day, but about that we're going to talk in a couple seconds. See you there.
Bye.
Today is the day why we are actually in Las Vegas, because Grandma Jean, Dad, and Grandma Jean's partner Joe, they're all participating in the World Pool Championship, and it's going to happen in our hotel right behind us, and today is the first day that they're playing, so of course we're going to visit them. Let's head in. Good morning. Yesterday was actually the whole day tournament. We ran from one game to the other because they were playing through the whole day. And that's also what we start with today, but otherwise we don't have any idea what's going on, so we're just gonna take you along and we're gonna jump right there. Okay, and from the tournament, we do what you should do in Las Vegas, which is exactly getting to the pool. So after our little session at the pool, we had another session with the pool at the tables, and Grandma actually won her match, which means she's going to continue at 9:30 in the night, which is in about an hour. And in between we had some dinner and we also gambled a little bit. Kate went in with 40 bucks and came out with exactly 40 bucks. I went in with 30 bucks and came out with exactly 0. So I lost everything. So my first impression of gambling worked. So, yeah, what's up next?
Going back into the pool hall.
Going back.
Welcome back to our hotel room. Grandma Jean won, which means she's going to play at 9 a.m. tomorrow. My dad also won his previous one. I don't know if we said that, so he's playing at 11 a.m. tomorrow. But first of all, we are going to go to the Mob Museum at 9 a.m. and that's the next thing we're going to do. So we're in the hotel for the night, and we'll see you in the morning.
See you. In camera shake.
Nope. He's a cop. Dirty cop.
Yes. Let me in.
No, dirty cop.
Hyperkerosene. My pocket.
Okay, I feel like we abandoned you a little bit for a while with some info what we actually did. So we went to the Mob Museum and afterwards we went a little bit along the strip. We went to the pawn shop from the Pawn Stars and afterwards to the Las Vegas sign, the fabulous Las Vegas sign. So because otherwise you're not really been to Las Vegas if you haven't been to the sign. Then we went back to the hotel because Grandma and Dad and Joe, they all played. They had a couple more games or matches and by now they are unfortunately out of the tournament. But we spent the whole noon and afternoon with them and now we are back out on the strip because before we had the strip just at the daytime and now we're back in the nighttime to tell you and to show you how does that look when the lights are on, when the glam comes into Vegas. So let's check it out.
This is why we should be in the club right now.
Good morning. Yesterday from the strip or from the downtown city we just went back to the hotel and had a little bit of fun in the lobby and now you can tell we just woke up and where are we going now, Kara?
Breakfast!
Let's go, hungry. After breakfast, I just wanted to go back to the pool because Kate wanted to go to roulette. But actually I found her and Karen Kennedy in the shops and taking pictures. And then Kayla will go to the roulette table. But I'm on my way to the pool now.
Gonna win, I feel it.
Hopefully, off to the pool. Pretty full today, so our seats are these ones. Enough of the pool, let's get ready for dinner.
Fit check.
To the Rio and we're off to the show. Wow.
Wow.
Let's see how wow it is. I'm actually not allowed to take any video during the show, so see you later. So, what did you think?
I thought the artists were amazing. There was like people on skates, there were obviously aerial artists, and there was also like duo artists. They were all amazing.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that. Dancing, not so much, but the artistry, very, very good. And it was like in some water and stuff. It was cool. I'm really glad we went.
It was also very comedic, like comedic, yes. So it was funny, and they used many different aspects, and was very much variety.
Yeah, variety is definitely right.
Yeah.
It was fun. I'm glad we came.
Yeah, that was a good highlight at the end of the trip, and now let's see where we're going next.
Home.
Home. So we're back at the hotel right now, and since we have to leave the hotel at 4 in the morning and fly at 6, we're not gonna take you on this journey. You don't want to see that. Therefore, we're gonna wrap it up right here. And what do you think about your multiple times trip already to Vegas?
This is my third time in Vegas, and I feel like we did a pretty good job of, for Jörn's first time, showing him everything we could, like daytime Vegas on the Strip, nighttime Vegas on the Strip. Like, we did some gambling, we had the pool tournament, which is the funnest part for in my opinion, something, you know, from my family and I. Tried the food, I don't know, did everything, really. And Vegas is just, if I'm honest, just not my place, and that's okay. I just don't love it here. I've been sick all week, actually, which is why Jörn's done a lot of the moderating, because the air was just so dry and the AC just killed me, and I just like, I'm dying, and I've been like trying to humidify myself like in the shower every day, and I'm not up for the desert heat. I don't like gambling, I don't like losing money. I'm actually really proud of myself. The first day that I gambled, I broke exactly even, and the second day I gambled, I was up $55. So I killed it. I'm never gonna gamble again because I did it. Being in the pool is fun. Oh yeah, we got that too. But for me, everything is just extremely expensive. For like, you want to get one strawberry daiquiri, that's $22. Like, why? And like every portion size for food has to be this freaking big, and then you have to pay $50, where I'd rather just pay $15 for a fourth of the amount of food, which is what I would finish. Anyway, here I'm so sick. If you like it here, more power to you. I don't. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, we both have a very similar perspective of traveling and how we like our travels to be structured. And therefore, I also came here and was like, this is Vegas. You have to have been in Vegas in your life. But I know it's gambling. I know all the casinos are smoking casinos. So therefore, you just walk through and smell like an ashtray. And it's strip bars where we haven't even been to, because why?
I also forgot about...
I have my woman already. I don't need to look at the other woman.
It looks like you're blaming me.
No,
Sorry.
no.
I interrupted you when you were saying that it's not my fault, but it looked like you were just being like, why can't I go to strip clubs because of this bitch? No, it's just not our speed. I forgot also there's like the public transportation. There is like a metro here, like a tram, but it's expensive and it doesn't go very many places. And it's very hard to walk. Like walking from one casino to the other was like 30 minutes, just one casino. So it's not walkable. It's just not our place.
Yeah. So I was very happy that I have been here for the first time in my life. If somebody says like, hey, I'm gonna buy you a trip to Vegas because I want you to come with me, then I'm gonna be like, sure. But I wouldn't spend my own money again on coming here. Therefore, if you're interested in going to Vegas, you should still do it and build your own opinion.
Yeah. Always go places and build your own opinion, because it could be your favorite place ever. And our favorite place might not be your favorite place, and vice versa. This is just somewhere that we'll never plan as a couple to come again. If we come for another pool tournament with my family, that's something else, but we're definitely not going to plan to come here. I forgot we also tried shows. We tried really every aspect of Vegas I can think of except looking at boobs. But
that is okay for me.
Yeah, but anyway, that's enough. We've talked 900 minutes. It's not our city, that's okay.
Yeah,
we hope you enjoyed this video.
You enjoyed this video, this travel vlog for another destination.
Yeah.
And keep liking, subscribing, and share it with your friends. And we're gonna see you in the next video.
Bye.